Why don't you bring Shane up full screen? I want Shane not only to talk about Wirecast but gear, but talk about the setup that you're using right there and how you're coming into Skype. We use Skype TX on a TriCaster in our studio. Shane's doing something really unique, though. He's actually feeding his Wirecast gear into Skype. So tell us how you're doing that.
Right. So here's my basic setup. And this is kind of what I do on the road and at home. But Wirecast not only has, streaming out, but we can also reconfigure Wirecast to use virtual camera out, which enables another webcam option in most webinar apps, especially Skype. So what I've done is I'm just routing Wirecast live output back to Skype via Wirecast's virtual camera out. Makes it super simple. It's easy. It's a one-click setup. Use output settings, virtual camera out.
Cool. Now,
so basically,
one of the things I want to interrupt you for a second, you're running Skype TX, or it could be Zoom, or it could be Teams, on your Wirecast gear, correct? You're not using a separate computer and plugging it in. You're actually running everything on your gear.
Yeah, everything's from the gear right now, and I'm at 8% CPU.
Wow.
Yeah, this thing's purring.